All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up your Google My Business profile for your HVAC or home service business. So setting up your Google My Business profile is one of the most important and one of the most overlooked things when you're starting out your business. And the reasoning for this is you need to have your business verified with Google in order for it to show up on Google Maps, right? So your business, if it has a Google My Business profile, will show up when people are looking for, HVAC business near me or HVAC businesses in Los Angeles, right? If you want your business to show up on Google, for example, HVAC in Phelan, and you go to, for example, on Google Maps. Let's go to Google Maps. Let me give you guys show you an example. I'm going to Google Maps. We look for HVAC in Los Angeles, and these are Google My Business profiles, right? So if you don't have a Google My Business profile like this, when people are looking things on Google, they're not going to be able to see your business, right? So what we're going to do today is how to set up a profile just like this and show you guys the different features and the different things that we can do to optimize our profile and be able to generate free leads for our business. Because the higher your ranking is in one area, the more likelihood of people finding your business and reaching out, right? And this is entirely free to do. And, our goal is, depending on what your business is, for example, if your business is in Los Angeles, obviously it's a very competitive area, so there's probably some areas of Los Angeles that you can rank higher than other businesses, right? So if I were to search HVAC in Los Angeles and on Google, and I go to Maps here, the sponsored is they're paying for an advertisement, but these are the top 4 companies that show up, right? We want to be in this top 4 because that's what people are going to see immediately. And we need to do our best to get more reviews and consistently update our page so that we are in, the top companies listed when people are looking for the services that your business provides. So first thing we're going to do is we want to make sure that we're on Google and that we're signed on to the email that we want to be using for Google My Business. So this should be the Gmail or the company email. What we're going to do is we're going to come to the Google Apps, and we're going to go to Google to go to Business Profile Manager. Right from here, you can see that for this client of mine, we've actually verified our business before, but every time you make changes to the website or your phone number or make some relevant changes to your business, you got to verify again. So today we're going to go over how to set it up the first time and how to verify it and how to not have to end up like us and have to verify again. So the first thing you want to do is naming conventions. It's very important that the name of your business that you put on Google Maps, Google My Business, is the same business that you're legally allowed to do, right? Like it's the same business that shows up when you register your business, and you're legally allowed to use that name, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to add business right here. We're going to add a single business. And what we're going to do is we're going to type a business name. So for us, Light Heating and Air, right? You can see that. I can create a business with this name. Business category, choose a category. We're an HVAC business, contractor. You're going to go to next. Do you have a location? We don't have a location. It's totally fine if you don't have a location. Where do you service your customers? Let's say we're in Riverside, California, right? Go through that. What is your phone number that you want, right? So let's do a fake phone number for now, and then you type in your company website. You can later on put that information in, but right now you're just giving Google your basic information, right? So then add your mailing address to verify. It cannot be a PO box. It has to be. This is very important. You need to have physical access to this address. You need to be the address that you put on here, the mailing address. You need to be able to be there and make a video of the mailing address to verify that you're actually there. Because one of the final steps in setting up the Google My Business profile is that you need to be able to physically go to this mailing address and show them that, it's a legitimate place, right? So here we can put, just trying to think, what is the address? So here you want to put in a mailing address. I'm trying to think, what is our address that I'm going to put on for an example? 01. Anyways, we'll just put on a address. 92509. Let's see if this allows us to do it. No thanks. Select a way to get verified, either your phone or your business video. It's better to do it through say verify later. We can do verify later. So they need to verify your business either your business video or through the phone. It's likely going to ask you to do both. Add all the services that your business offers. I would just add everything and anything, and then later on optimize later. Add all the services that you want, your business hours, and tell them the times that you are going to be open. Let's skip this for now. Add a business description, right? Add as much information to your profile as possible. The more information that's on your page, the more trustworthy you look, the more Google is going to put you above another contractor, right? Or another business, right? So add photos of your work. Now, the next step is, in order to show up, you need to start advertising with Google Ads. So now they're going to pitch you, Google Ads, right? But now that we have the profile set up, we just have to go and manage it, essentially. But most importantly is we need to get it verified, right? So nothing matters here until it says that your company is publicly visible. How do we do that? What we need to do is we need to sign into your business on your phone, right? On Gmail. Make sure you're signed into your business on Gmail, and also make sure that you can come to you can go to Google Maps, right? Go to Google Maps, sign into your business. You can see here, you can tap your profile, and then you can go to your business profiles. We're going to see here that we have done right heating and air conditioning here selected, and then it says verification required. So from here, you're going to look at the business profile. You can see your profile here, and you can edit all the information from your phone on the Google Maps app, and edit everything from there. But most importantly is you need to verify your business, right? So, click on the business, and you can edit everything from here. But most importantly is you need to get verified, right? So you can go to your performance, click see more, and then you click on get verified, right? Once you click on get verified on your phone, you enter your mailing address, and then you are prompted to take a video of your business. What it requires you to do is you need to take a video of something that shows the physical address of the mailing address. For example, your mailbox, some numbers of your home, show the branding of your business, and get all the branding and all the information, and show as much of your business as possible within 1 to 2 minutes, and then sometimes within 30 minutes after you submit the video, Google verifies everything. You're going to get a blue check on your Google My Business profile, and then that means you're verified. And now make sure all your business information is ready from the get-go, so that you're not like us where you make a change to the business profile later on. So there's a chance that if you make a change to your business profile, they're going to make you verify your business again. And doing that video at your address, doing it over and over again, it's really annoying. So get all the information right the first time, verify it through that business video. It should you get your business Google Maps profile up and running, and then you can share your profile with other people and get reviews, bump up your ranking on Google Maps, and get free leads for your business. So if you're wanting help with any marketing for your HVAC business or home service business, please feel free to contact us, and we'd love to help.